Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Again, we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can check Snapchat's message without actually clicking on them. So yeah, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, share with your friends and family, and yeah, let's start with our video. So just go to your Snapchat, click this message box icon below, click the icon, and then you will see the messages that you have got. So I have a new snap from this person. So all you have to do is slightly click and press person's profile picture, and then you will slide to your right, and then as you can see the inbox opens like that. So you can check what message they have sent you, and then you can just, once you are done with the message, you can just swipe it left, and now done. That's how you can sneakily check somebody's message without actually clicking. This message is still not been seen. So again, let me show you. Just click the person's profile picture, slide it to your right, you can check your message, slide it to your left, done. So this is how you can check somebody's message without actually seeing them. I hope this video has helped you. Please make sure to leave comments below, and I'll see you in another video.